Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create effective onboarding email sequences for your SaaS business using ChatGPT. This will help you engage new users and improve their experience from the start. Let's get started. Onboarding email sequences are essential for guiding new users through your software, helping them understand key features and encouraging ongoing use. With ChatGPT, you can quickly generate a series of professional and personalized emails tailored to different stages of the onboarding process. Start by opening ChatGPT and logging in. In the chat box, type a clear prompt such as create a 5-step onboarding email sequence for a SaaS product that introduces features, shares tips, and encourages users' engagement. Be sure to include details about your product and target audience for better results. ChatGPT will provide you with email templates covering welcome messages, feature highlights, how-to guides, and reminders. You can customize each email to fit your brand's voice and specific goals. Using these email sequences improves users' retention and reduces confusion, and also builds a strong relationship with your customers right from the beginning. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.